Think you can recover from a crypto scam in fraudulent trading platforms? You will be surprised how easy it is. Here's how to stay out of trouble and what to do if you get caught in the scam scheme. First, watch out for platforms promising guaranteed profits, platforms promising insane returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Next, always double-check the company's credentials. Real brokers are licensed and transparent about their team and business address. Report to sociutech.com immediately. You detect the scam and they will help you recover those sketchy payments. They have certified crypto investigators. Also check your cards and block any payment link. If someone's rushing you to invest, huge red flag. If you do get scammed, don't panic. Contact Sociutech with all your evidence. Screenshots, emails, transaction receipts. Report it. They will make an official report and contact regulatory bodies. Change your passwords immediately you detect the scam. Alert your bank if you've shared sensitive info. Most importantly, remember, Sociutech is a reliable certified crypto recovery agency. They have reputable scores and have good reviews online. Protect your crypto, stay safe out there. Like and subscribe for more crypto tech tips.